Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Coding Touch, and welcome to my fifth tutorial from my series called Building a Professional Website like Airbnb.com. And in the previous episode, we finished off the header, and as you can see, we got really close to the actually main Airbnb itself. And actually, to be fair, I prefer mine better because you can see that the colors are more contrast and they're better. Um, I don't know, but that's my opinion. I like my version of Airbnb.com better. But yeah, so in this episode, we're gonna be creating this hosting opens up a world of opportunity, and we're pretty much so this site is built off a couple of things: the header, the body, this slideshow, and the footer. So we've already done the header, and we're starting part 2 of 4. So um, before we begin, actually, I want to see if I can change this. So you can see that the border radius is on this side as well. But if you come here, there's border radius only on this side. So I think I got it. I know how to fix this. So we're gonna go to CSS and we're gonna go to the last button. And we're gonna give it a z index of 0. And we're gonna go to the search button div. Oh wait, hold on. Wrong one. We're gonna go to the search button div and give it a z index of 0, and go to the guest div and give it a z index of 1. So now when we refresh, it is a little bit better, but we can make the width of this 111 pixels, or actually let's do it 113 pixels, maybe more. Hold on a second. I'm gonna increase the padding to, let's say, 14 pixels. No, wait, 13.5, but on the left, it has to be 32 pixels or 31 or whatever. Let's try 35. Actually, nothing is changing. That's weird. I don't really know. You know what? I'll just leave it like this for now. I'm gonna delete those z indexes. But basically, the higher z index that you give an element means that it's gonna be over something. So if you give this one a z index -1 and this 0, the 0 is gonna be above the -1. So if they're if they're like collapsing, if one is over another one, the one with the higher z index is gonna be on top. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. So this is in a div, and that I'm gonna call hosting opportunity div. But I think the width is about 800, actually 900 pixels. So we're gonna go to the index.html and actually not get rid of the header, but go outside the header. Alright, and create a new div. Hold on. Div, and give it an ID of hosting hold on a second. Oh, okay. Oops, my bad. Hosting opportunity div. Close this off. Go to CSS. And let's do this. Hosting opportunity div. Hope I spelled this right. Opportunity and opportunity. Oh, I don't know where this U came from. Wait, hold on a second. Okay. I'm not that best at English. I mean, I'm not even from America. I don't even live in the UK or whatever. But that's another topic. So I messed this up, and by the way, I'm typing a little bit slower right now because I'm on the couch because there's no reason actually. I'm on the couch with my laptop, and it's a little bit harder for me to write faster. So yeah. And we're gonna give this a width of 900 pixels, a height of 150 pixels. Hold on a second. 150 pixels, and a background color of, I don't know, red. And let's see how big this is. So the height has to be, I'd say, 400. 400. Oh, way too big. Way too big. Let's try with 300. Hold on a second. What's the margin? Margin top 20 pixels. So margin top. Hold on a second. Margin top. Oh my god. Margin top 20 pixels. Let's align it in the center. So margin right, auto. Margin left, auto. Alright, maybe it's 50 pixels. Is that good enough? It is. Now the margin bottom is also 50 pixels, so I'm gonna give it a margin bottom as well. Margin bottom 50 pixels. Alright. Is it big enough? No, it's not. 950 pixels maybe. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Hold on a second. It is pretty good. Actually, let me scroll up to this like this, and to this like this. Now we can compare them. Yeah, I think it's good enough. So there's no border here, right? What now I have to do is I can see that it's a little bit gray, the background of this website. So we're gonna go to hex-color.com, or maybe that's color dash. Alright, hex color. Hex color. Color dash hex, yeah. And let's choose a really light gray. Something like this. So we're gonna go to the body. Give it a background color of this. A little bit lighter. Just like this. Alright. No, that's a little bit like, hold on a second. I hope that I can go to view page source and see the CSS. Let me see this. Wow, I cannot see a thing. Maybe this. I don't think that this website is handwritten because no one that writes their website, by hand, will do this sort of management. I think that they have used a program to do it because I know that there is no pro who would actually use this. But anyway, I don't see a body here. Oh, background color. Here we go. Let's try this. 1 second. Oh, what? Maybe that's for something else. That's probably for the... I don't even know what that's for. Oh well. Let's try this. Wait, I think we already tried it. Man, it's hard to choose a color. There's just a teeny little bit that's lighter. So, background color. What? It's the same. Oh wait, I forgot to copy this. Alright, change this to this. Damn. A little bit lighter. It's really hard to choose. Okay. Okay, I think this is good enough. Alright, it is. So, we're gonna give this div a background color of white. Alright, and the contrast isn't as good, but I'm still gonna go with it. Alright, now this is separated into two divs. So div 1, div ID is gonna be called div hosting opportunity. Div 1. I suck at making up names. Div ID equals hosting opportunity. Div 2. Alright, now let's go to CSS. Hashtag hosting opportunity div 1 and hosting opportunity div 2. Alrighty, let's see the width of this. So I'm guessing this is 300 pixels. So width, actually I'm gonna give it a position of absolute. And width is gonna be 300 pixels. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I think it's about 300 pixels. Height is gonna be 100%, which means that it's gonna be 100% of the position relatively div. So I have to position this relative, just in case. It's not necessary, but it's just in case. So it's gonna be 100% of the div that is positioned relatively compared to the div that is absolute, which means that it's gonna be height 300 pixels. Wait. Sure. Okay. Maybe it's 250 pixels wide, but we'll see that. Background color red. I think it's more. It's 350. No, it's not. 300. Yeah. For some reason, I think it's 350 pixels. Maybe it's 330. Yeah, I think this is right. Now I'm gonna create the second div. Actually, can I save this image? Inspect element. Well, this is bad. Can't find an image. Alright. Well, cool. Alright, let's find an image. I'm not gonna be creating the slideshow because as you can, actually, not as you can see, but as I said, we're not gonna be using JavaScript for this website. Only HTML and CSS, and for now, it's doing pretty good. Alright, so now, let's find a family picture. I don't know, let's go with this one. Alright, save that. Save image as. And let's go to Airbnb.com. Oh. I'm gonna save it as family. Family.jpg. Alright, cool. So now I have to go to the div 2. Give it a position of absolute as well. Position absolute. Width is gonna be 620 pixels. Height is gonna be 100%. Background image is gonna be URL family.jpg, and it's gonna be right 0. Alright, now I have to edit the background. So background size is gonna be cover. Alright, good enough. Actually, let me see if it's like the real picture. Force touch, come on. Yep, it is. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna remove this background color like this, and we're gonna copy this text. So now I'm gonna go with another way, because I get kind of tired of all this naming and stuff like that, because what if I forget the names? I mean, I can always go and check, but it's gonna be easier if I just write it for every, oh no, actually can't work because there are gonna be a couple of text paragraphs in this div, because my plan was to create the div and then create the div, and my idea was to create a div p, which means that, I mean in CSS, which basically means that for every image, for every text in this, for every p tag in this div, it's gonna be the same CSS style. But since we have hosting opens a world of opportunity and earn money sharing your extra space with travelers, and so what you can learn, I can't do that because they're different. So we're gonna name them by ourselves. We're gonna create a paragraph. PID equals hosting opportunity text. Hold on a sec. Just like this. And it's getting kind of messy and I don't like it, but we can't choose, basically. We can't go with a simple code because it's a big site. It's a big website. And man, I gotta say, this is a beautiful website that we're creating right now. I absolutely love it. Alright, so let's write in the text. Did I copy and paste it? Yes, I did. So there's a break after a. So we're gonna paste this in. We're gonna write a break tag, and basically, what I want to mention is that I'm gonna be starting the whole HTML series from the beginning. I mean, not this series, but like the HTML beginner series, because I just realized that I didn't explain them as good as I should have. So at the end of this series, expect a brand new HTML and CSS series. But yeah, and probably in the future we're gonna create a JavaScript one, a C++ one, Java one, whatever you want to see from me, I'll do that. And this is becoming a really long tutorial, but anyway, we're gonna finish it up. So hosting up, okay. Now let's go ahead and style it. Hosting opportunity text. Hosting opportunity text. Alright, so font family sans serif. Font weight bold. Color is gonna be 01. Oh wait. Color-x.com. Let's choose something like, hold on a second. Something like this. 5454. Yes. Yes, it's almost the same. And we're gonna change the font size to 35 pixels. Oh, we don't want that. Let's go with 25. Oh man. 22. Yeah. And hold on a second. Cool. So no. So now we can actually, let me quit my Skype. Let's go and align in the center. So text align center. Alright, perfect. Now I have to copy this text. Command C. And we're gonna create a new paragraph in the same div. PID equals earn money text. Oh my god. There's a break after extra. So extra break and save this. Alright, so let's style this. Earn money text curly brackets and font family sans serif, color 545454, text align center. Is this good enough? It is. Oh, but wait. Alright, I'm not gonna align this at the center. I'm gonna give it a position of absolute, which I don't think it's gonna work. Position of absolute, but let's try it out. And give this a position of absolute as well. Position. And I'm gonna give this, actually, never mind. Alright. So, left 50%, margin left minus, what's the width of it? 330, so it's gonna be 115. Hold on a second. It's gonna be 145 pixels. Actually, no. Wait, 330. Wow, this is embarrassing. 165. And so hold on a second. 165. 165 minus 22. 143 pixels. 143 pixels. Wait, what am I aligning? Oh, I'm aligning the wrong thing. Alright, let's fix this up. Save this, refresh, and oh my god, it's not working. So, maybe 120 pixels. 130. Oh wait, 110. Yes, I like it. And let's just copy the same code for this. Alright, and give it a top. So what's the height of this? What would we say it is? 300 pixels. I'm gonna give it a height of a top of 156. Alright, 120 pixels, or 110. Oh no, 120. Actually, yeah, that's about right. Yes, it is. And I'm gonna give this a top of 90 pixels. Oh, what? Alright, 70. Alright, this is embarrassing. 50. 40. Man, I think I should go with 30. I mean, how is this 30 pixels and how is this 110 pixels? I don't know, as you can see, sometimes CSS messes up. It's getting really close, so I really like it. But we're gonna create this link. Should we create it in the next tutorial? I mean, it's getting a really long video, like about 30 minutes. But you know what? What the hell? We started it already. So what you can earn, see what you can earn. Oh no. Alright, see what you can earn. Let's go to index.html. And why is there actually a space here? We don't need it. href equals # id, give it a what earn link. What can you earn? And I'm gonna write see what you can earn. Okay. See what you can earn. Alright. And basically, let's go and style it. What earn link? What earn link? Alright, so, yeah. Column link. So, font, family, sans, serif, color, white, font, weight, and font, weight, bold, and I'm gonna give it a background color of red, ELTY, and a padding of 15 pixels, 30 pixels, 15 pixels, 30 pixels. Is this about right? Oh yeah, and the text decoration, none. Yeah, it is. So border radius of 2 or 3 pixels. Border radius 2 pixels. Let's see how it looks with 3. No, it's definitely 2. Alright, border radius 2 pixels. Alright, now we're gonna align it starting from the bottom. Now we're here. No, but one. So bottom 30 pixels. Oh yeah. I forgot. Semicolon and position absolute. No. 40? Wait, let's align in the center first. Left 50%. Margin left minus. Let's see this. So it's gonna be margin left minus 90 pixels. No. 110 pixels. Alright, 150. Alright, 130. Alright, 120. 125. Oh, 115. No, 120 it is. Alright. Alright, perfect. Let's see. Change the cover here. So big enough, about right, aligned about right. I mean, it's not perfectly aligned here, but again, I can't make it exactly the same. So let's go ahead and create the visited. So what earn link to dots visited. And there's no active here, right? Alright. Oh, there is an active. Alright, so you can see when I click it, it changed it as another color. So, font, oh wait, color white, and I'm just gonna write this. See what you can earn. So now let's look for, actually let's create the box shadow first. So this is something that I haven't talked about. But let's see if I can remember this, because I haven't used it in a lot of time. Box shadow 1 pixel. Alright, 1 pixel, black. Yes, I like it. Let's go with only 1 pixel. Oh no, it has to be 1 pixel, 1 pixel. 1 pixel. Alright, perfecto. Actually, let's see if we can do a kind of a neat trick. 0. Oh wait, 1, and this is gonna be 0. Yes. I love it. Alright, so now let's choose the color, which is gonna be something like that. But man, it's gonna be hard to choose. Yep, I think it's about that. Background color, this. So refresh. Alright. Alright. Cool. And now let's add a hover. What earn link hover. And let's see how it is. Alrighty, a little bit lighter blue. Something like this. So, background color. Hold on, let's fix this. Background color. This is gonna be pound sign, copy paste. And yes. Now let's see the the active. So the active is gonna be darker than the previous. So let's copy and paste this in here and go for a darker color like this. So now when we go and actually add an active link, what earn active Oh, link active. And I'm sorry, really sorry for this really long episode. Like, what is it? Like half an hour or 40 minutes. But you know, I have to do this. Now when we press on it, it's perfecto. So as you can see, when I hover over it and when I click on it, it changes that color. Like in here, it's normally this color. When I hover it over it, it becomes lighter, and when I press on it, it's darker. So normal, hover, press, perfect. Alright, so we are really close to the real website, and I have to say, admit it, that I love this. It's probably one of the best websites I've done. I mean, true, the idea isn't mine, but still, the fact that I can, that you guys and me can do something like this is amazing. And again, that's how I learned HTML and CSS. I practiced to do a lot of websites. If I didn't know how to something, I googled. If I didn't know how to do something, I googled it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. And if you think this is a good tutorial, hit that like button and comment and state in the comment section below that you liked the video or have any questions. Make sure to leave them in the comment section below as well, as I will answer all of them. But yeah, don't forget that there's a huge iPhone 6s or 6s Plus giveaway coming up soon. So go ahead and check that out. It's on my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.